in honor of our wounded soldier, Cam Skattebo. This shot's for you.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
Today, we got a special edition of video today.
As you might know, if you like football, that Giants rising star running back Cam Skattebo went down with an injury. And to honor what he's done for the team so far, we're going to make a shot.
So Cam, this shot's for you. So, in honor of Cam Skattebo, we're gonna be making a layered shot today. Layered shots are pretty tricky, but I'm gonna be using a special spoon today. This is, I believe, a European spoon. It has a flared bottom tip, which is gonna help you make the layers a little easier. So let's get started with the drink. Oh, and also, if you notice, I have 3 different cups here, because I'm going to be pouring different liquids into each cup. It's easier that way than instead of having to sit here and wash everything out. But if you only have one, make sure that when you do each layer, you rinse it out so the layers don't really mix together. So let's get started with the shots. So what we're going to do, we're going to add some ice to the tin. It's going to help cool down the liquid so that when you make the layers, it's easier to separate them. So the first layer is going to be ½ an ounce of Grenadine and ½ ounce of some Blazing Fireball whiskey. Now normally I would shake this up, but you don't necessarily have to. So I'm just gonna give it a little stir. Cool down a little bit. So we're going to pour in our first layer of the Grenadine. Now, I'm making the measurements for today are for 2 shots. So each shot's going to get ½ an ounce of the mixture.
Right as you spill it.
Typical Brewbos fashion. All right, I'm going to move these here. Now, for our next layer, we're going to use the Blue Curaçao. So for the Blue Curaçao, we're going to do about 3/4 of an ounce of the Blue Curaçao. And 1/4 of an ounce of lime juice. We have it concentrated today, so it's only going to be about 1/4 of an ounce. But with fresh lime, should be roughly about the same measurement. Forgot to add the ice, so I'm going to add the ice now. Doesn't have to be a lot, but we're going to stir this.
To take the chill off, or put the chill on.
Let's pour this layer. So, for this section, it's going to be a little tricky. I'm going to do ½ an ounce for each shot. And then we're going to use our spoon to layer on top. So this is going to be the tricky part. So you could do it one of 2 ways. You could put the spoon directly in here and pour the liquid into the back of the spoon. Or you could use the flared bottom, put it as close as you can to the actual liquid, and pour right on the spoon itself. And if you notice, it'll slowly start to separate, creating a layer. And now for the final layer, it's going to be the layer of tequila and Peach Schnapps. So let's add some ice. This is going to be the biggest portion of the shot. We're going to be doing 1 ounce of tequila. We're using a Reposado Don Fulano.
Because we fancy.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. It became a classic for us. And we're going to do 1 ounce of Peach Schnapps. Use your bar spoon to chill it up. Now let's get ready to pour the shot. So for each section, this section, you're going to put 1 ounce into your jigger. Get the flared bottom as close as possible to the top of the liquid and pour it onto the spoon. And here we have the Cam Skattebo Head Smash. Boom, boom, shabai.
And we're back. This is the Cam Skattebo Head Smash. Well, before we do that, it was Cam Skattebo's pre-game greeting to his quarterback, where he headbutts his buddy. So,
in honor of Cam,
boom. Cheers.
Cheers. This is for you.
Rest up. Get better.
Okay. Kareem, how would you describe these flavors?
They work.
Okay.
They work.
It's a tad sweet.
Tad sweet.
You know, the mixture of the Grenadine and the Curaçao is kind of what makes it that sweetness. And also probably the Peach Schnapps. But it's not overpoweringly sweet.
No. And you could barely taste that there's tequila in it.
Oh, I don't taste the tequila at all.
Yeah.
Right. I taste more of the Fireball than the tequila, which is weird. So it's like I get layers of the Grenadine, the tequila. The Grenadine, the Fireball, the Curaçao, but not the tequila.
Yeah, the tequila, and you get the Peach Schnapps.
Yeah, I get the Peach Schnapps before I get anything of the tequila. And this is a Reposado, so it has some flavor to it.
Yeah.
So brew bro scale, 1 to 5. Kareem, what do you give the shot?
4.5.
You heard it, ladies and gentlemen, 4.5. Let us know in the comments down below.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
4 for Cam Skattebo.
oh, that is number?
Yeah.
Okay. As you can tell, or if you can't tell, I don't watch sports at all.
Let's go, Big Blue.
So, let us know down in the comments below if you tried this shot.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. We have some events coming up. We got a couple of challenges. And we got a couple of announcements. So, hit the noti bell.
Ding.
And on that note, everybody,
Peace out, everybody.
stay fly.
2, 3, 2, 1.
In honor of our injured, wounded. All right. Okay.
Brew Bros, take 3. 3, 2, 1.
In honor of our wounded soldier, Scatterman. Scatterman. It's the Scatman.
Cam Scatterpoops.
All right.
All right. That one's done.